Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is one important announcement made by CMA Institute on January 29th, 2021, my dear students. So originally, the last date to register for all the stages of CMA course for June 2021 attempt is Jan 31st, 2021. But now CMA Institute has extended this last date to 10th February 2021. That means students can register on or before 10th February 2021 so as to be eligible to write exams to be conducted in June 2021. And this extension will apply to all the stages of CMA course, that is CMA Foundation, CMA Inter as well as CMA Final. If you have not yet registered for any of these stages of CMA course, now this is the right time for you. Immediately respond and finish off your registration, my dear students. All the best.